Hey goddesses, how y'all doing today? I just wanted to come on and show you guys our Giselle unit. It is a ready to ship unit. This one is 16 inches long and it is a lace frontal unit in our goddess deep wave texture. Sit. All of our frontal units do come with the adjustable elastic band. I'm just gonna slide her on band first. You can adjust it to your comfort level. Unit can be worn glueless. It's a middle part unit. And this is how she looks. She's gorgeous. But look, and this is only 2 bundles, guys. 2 bundles, and look how full it is. Look at how full this hair is. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite textures, our goddess deep wave.